Hi everyone, and today I'm reviewing GearBest laptop sleeve bag designed for Jumper 14 inches notebooks, and as you can see it has many pockets on many sizes, so you can place in there your papers, an additional drive, the charger, and also a smartphone, or why not your tablet. And as you can see, it perfectly fits with the all 14 inches laptops. Well, I think it's a really good deal for this price, especially as you can see it has many pockets, so you can take around everything you need all in one bag, and sure is more functional than most of all more expensive bags I've seen all around here. So it's highly recommended from techassistant.it, and shipping has been pretty fast too. So I really recommend this item. Okay, thanks for watching. See you soon. Subscribe my channel and visit my website techassistant.it. Bye.